Yeah, righty guys, welcome back. So, got the adventure for you here today. Got the new tees in. If you want one of them, jump over to our Shopify page there. Yeah, guys, if this isn't muddy, I don't know what is. We've just put in a trap, first trap, right there. Ended up jumping on the bank to try and have a look at the hole we spotted up here. And as you can see, fell in the drink, full of mud. Muddy shirt, living a life. Oh guys, so just behind us there, right about here, you got that little creek that goes up there. We've thrown one pot so far in. And just here beside us, we haven't even got to the spot where I wanted to get to, and it looks amazing. There's holes in the bank everywhere. So stay tuned. We'll get a few pots in the water tonight, and we'll go pull them tomorrow. See how we go. Alrighty guys, so I've got one pot just down a little bit further. We tried up the back here a little bit more, but it gets way too shallow at the moment. So at least here we know we're alright. We're in water. A couple of traps out of water at the moment. We're just going to put it right underneath this tree branch here. Brother's going to throw it over. Trap number 2. There we go, guys. So bubbles are in the water, and once we get right underneath this tree, brother will throw it over in 3, 2, 1. Muddy venture away. And that looks pretty deep there, so I reckon we could be onto something there. I might actually grab that rope and bubble, and I might tuck it up in between that log there, so it's a bit more hidden. A few people out on the river here, so just gotta be a bit stealth and try the best. So stay tuned, how we go tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so second pot just up behind us there. Stay tuned, how we go up the back. We're gonna head to Muddy Island. So this was a little honey hole before we got there. So see how we go. Not too far from camp. Stinks like mud. Tastes like mud. Feels like mud. On the muddy venture. Yeah, righty guys. So just pulled up here and put a third trap in. Right guys, so that's the entrance. The honey holes we've just found. Got 2 traps so far put up the back. A little creek that just runs up there. That even might be a little honey hole just up above us here, brother. But it looks like it joins up, comes around here, and then rejoins right here in front of us. So I reckon right up on that corner would be primo location. Like you can see the hole from here. Yeah, right guys, so 2 traps in so far. I've gone in the pisser. Oh, as you see, muddy venture. She's wet. Phone went in the drink and everything, so glad she's still working. Just walking up the edge of this bank. Gives a look. We're dead low tide now, so if the pot's in water, it's not going to leave the crabs high and dry. Be back out tomorrow morning. Stay tuned, guys. What a muddy venture. So right up here, you got that little mangrove that points out. Just under there, it's a nice big root, I reckon, right underneath there. Buddy guys, third one going in right here. Very slippy and muddy. Try and get this next one over. Already gone in the creek one so far. It's pretty slippery and muddy as you can see. A bit wild up here, but we'll see how we go. Number 3 going in. Send the pot on a muddy venture. Pretty shallow at the moment, but tomorrow is a dead low tide, so it's not going to get any lower. So as you can see guys, it's pretty hectic through here. As you can see, muddy venture happening right here, right now. About half a foot, maybe a bit more. Just soaking in mud. And the boat is just there. We could probably get up on a high tide, but it's low tide right now. Tide's coming back in, just turned. As you can see, runs up around the corner, comes back up here. And just under here where I am right here, there's a massive hole just right there. So I'm thinking about just putting one trap there. Hey, found one more little honey hole here. We still haven't even got up to the Muddy Island yet, but a couple of honey holes on the way, so we'll send this pot into another muddy venture. That's number 4 out of 4. See how we go tomorrow. Got the brother up the front, trying to keep the nose down. Not getting any further. We're stuck right here. Yeah, right guys, so as you can see, nice little honey hole right here. Anything like this before, a muddy steep bank. Now that's taken it to a new level. That is a steep muddy bank. Stay tuned, see how we go. Alrighty guys, welcome back. So, day 2 out here, gonna check all the traps. We've definitely got a higher tide than what it was yesterday. So it was low tide when we put them in, and this was where it was showing you all the higher banks, and now it's about, probably 1.8 metres above where we were. So just in front of us here is where we put a trap, and it was pretty much like a walking bank to get in there. We can probably get the boat straight into where we put the trap now, and we'll give them a squeeze, let you know. Alright, first trap here, we'll see how we go. We got a muddy. We got a couple of muddies. Looks like a female. Oh yeah, donkey, look at that one. And wow, there's a lot of brim, so I'll have to get that brim out as quick as we can. And yeah, producing the muddies. Oh, so this is full of brim and a couple of muddies. Looks like they might have one buck and a female, I'm guessing, but get him out. Yeah, that's a male there, nice bunny healthy male. He's probably that still at it, so what we'll do, we'll end up rebaiting him and probably putting him in the same spot. This male's pretty cranky, and he gets him out of here. There we go, not a bad male at all. Nice and healthy. Oh, solid. Solid buck. Give him a quick measure. Get him off that trap. Quick measure there, heaps legal. I'm going to put them in the keeper tank. Stay tuned. Yeah, so we're going to let this female probably go. She's probably just size as well. This male we're going to keep as a nice feed, so stay tuned tonight for a chili mud crab dish. Hey guys, so we're back there. We started with this first trap. This is the little female here. She's legal as well, as you can see. But I'm going to let this female go. Hopefully attract another male. She's bloody cranky. Alrighty guys, so I've just moved probably about 20 metres down from where we had that first trap and got the two muddies. So I got the one nice keeper buck. We'll keep him for now. See how we go on all the rest of them. Send this pot back into its muddy venture. Nice deep hole here. Alright guys, just coming up on the second trap here. Not straight up and down. And we got, what is it? 4 muddies. Wow. Probably a couple of nice bucks, couple of keepers, and Righto guys, so second trap, looks like we've got about 4. Not sure if I'll be able to get me out of this hole. 1, 2, 3. Last one left. We've got a couple of keepers it looks like. Nice and healthy little crabs. So yeah, this one's too small, undersized, but nice little male. Straight back where we got him. What else have we got here? Well, this big fella keeps trying to fight with the other fella. Hopefully I don't bloody drop nippers and stuff here. About 4 nippers going at me at once, dude. Right, so that one there, just legal. This little fella's gonna go back. Got his 2 bloody claws there, but a nice female. I thought that was a male earlier on there, but he's well and truly legal. Don't keep females, so she's going back. We got here. And easy size, so that's 2 bucks so far. We'll rebait this trap, probably put him in the same spot because it produced some nice crabs there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm just going to put this trap in the same spot. Ended up throwing about 3 crabs back then. 2 keepers. There was a couple of females, so let them go, don't keep females. We've already got 2 keeper males for today. So we'll put this trap back where we had him. Current's ripping through here at the moment, so shove him right over the side here.